All right, guys. So here is my computer screen. So in this video, I actually want to show you how to uh, identify trend and take advantage of it. You know how to identify big trend and take advantage of it. All right. So first of all, the first thing I will tell you to do, or the first thing that you need to do, basically, is go on a higher time frame so that you can understand how the structure of the market looks. So in this case, I will advise you go to daily time frame. So when you go to daily time frame, this is good. For example, okay, if you look at my gold, if you look at gold generally here, if you look at this particular trend, if you look at this move here, you will see I took a lot of trade here. Let me show you so that you can see. You will see I took a lot of trade here, as you can see. All right, here is an example of a big trend, okay, like a big trend that you can hold from here to this. You can see how I was able to hold, I mean how to take advantage of this trend as it was going. So how do I identify this, and how should you look at the market so that you can identify this? The first thing you need to do, like I said, is come to higher time frame and see how the market is structured. So take for example here in this case, you see the market has been making higher highs, higher lows, right? Okay, so let's start from the beginning here. So you come to higher time frame and check the trend. So if you look at it from here, you see the market has been making higher highs. So let me draw this. Okay, start from here: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So at this particular point, you should be expecting another higher high, right? So what you need to do is to wait for that pullback. Okay, when it happens, like this pullback, when it happens, that is when you'll be looking to enter your trade. Okay, so when the pullback happens, right? Let me remove this. So when the pullback happens, my first entry was around this place because first of all, there is a support here. Okay, there is a support here. So let me draw that support so that you can see. Okay, there is a support here. So when the market came back down to that particular point, I was looking for my entry. All right, and for me to see what is actually going on, or for you to see what's actually going on clearly in the market, you have to drop down to a lower time frame, like 4 hour. Okay, so here is 4 hour. Let me show you what is going on 4 hour. Okay, sorry about all this. Okay, 4 hour. Okay, again. So here is the support. You can see market came back to touch that particular point, retrace, and then come back to retest it. Okay, so now this particular level would have been the best bet for me to take this trade, but I missed the entry. So what you want to do is that whenever market is already I missed the entry here. So whenever you see the market is gone already, what you want to do is you always want to wait for the pullback. So if you look at this now, you see the market, after the market make this double bottom here, okay, the market move up, okay, then move down. After this pullback, that was when I took my first entry. It came back up, move down, then you can take another entry here. Then you can start holding every pullback that happens and continue to hold. And you will discover that even at some point here, the market made some kind of reverse pattern here, like head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you can see it move higher high, higher lows, higher highs, then lower lows here, then lower high. Okay, forming what we refer to, sorry, let me remove that. Forming what we refer to as head and shoulder pattern. As you can see here, this is the first shoulder, head, second shoulder. But instead of me to take a short position there, I took a buy position. As you can see, I was just looking for an opportunity I was just looking for a break of the shoulder, second shoulder here. And that was when I took my next entry. Then we have some consolidation, took an entry. Then we have this deep retracement. I think I took some position here and lost. So before, after this retracement. So this retracement is also another pullback that you can also capitalize on because it's actually resting on the trend line I drew earlier on daily time frame. So you can see, but I didn't take the entry here. So after this consolidation, I took my another buy position here. Then the market rally up again, retrace, took another buy position. So basically, what I'm trying to let you understand here is when you want to actually catch big trend, you first need to go to higher time frame to first of all identify where the market is. That way you can easily catch such big trend. Let me show you another example quickly before I round up. While I'm trying to open this new asset, which is S&P 500, I want to encourage you, or let me say plead with you to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe. And if you are if you don't feel like subscribing, please try and like the video, okay? And if you want to take my course, the link is in the description. I put my course there. It is comprehensive, powerful, and that is every secret that keeps me in the market and makes me more money. The course gives me more money. Everything, all the strategies, all this, in fact, it's a system. Everything is in the course, so you can actually get it for a cheaper price. And I can also give you discounts. All you just have to do is message me on my Telegram. It's in the bio, okay? Message me on my Telegram. If you don't have enough capital, I can also consider you, provided that you are from Africa, okay? Because I know how difficult things are. So enough of that. Let's continue with what we are doing. So if you look at S&P 500 now, okay, first of all, if you come to higher time frame like daily time frame, first of all, look at the structure. Okay, what do you see? You see higher highs, higher lows, bunch of higher highs. You can see here. So after this pullback, okay, let's just start from here. Okay, let's start from here. I actually took most of this trade. I took them last year. Let me check. Okay, I took most of this trade last year, but I do remove them based on the fact that okay, we have new setup. You know, we need to create new setup. Okay, so so if you look at this market from here, you can see your higher highs, higher lows. Okay, pullback. So after this pullback, that is an avenue for you to buy. Then the market will rally up again, then pull back into this particular level. This is an avenue. This is another one here. So you can capitalize on that pullback. Okay. Now that you've identified the trend from higher time frame, all you just want to do now is go to lower time frame. Okay. So every pullback, there is a pullback here that encouraged me to take this trade, okay, and then the market move up again, pullback, and you continue to buy the pullback after identifying the trend on higher time frame. That is what you want to do, okay. Then we start having what's it called, tariff and all those kind of things, which crashed this market. And since then, market has actually bounced up from the pullback now, so from here, and it has been going up. And as you can see, I've been actually capitalizing on the trend as it is going. You can see me take trade here, and I think my next trade is actually I pull back to this particular zone, then I will be buying this market, provided that this Iran and Israel war that is fight that is going on and it's not going to affect the market further. I will be next week. I will be buying around here again. So every pullback is an avenue to buy when you identify the trend. Okay, so this is how you ride the trend, and this trend now, be expecting it. This trend that is going now, be expecting it over. Let me say, in the long run, is going to because it's going to make at some point it definitely has to make new higher highs. You know, it's still going to come up, pull back again, then continue trading. Okay, that is what you want to wait for. So you continue to ride this trend until there is opportunity, or until you see sign. Okay, you see some kind of fear in the market, price action pattern, everything that signifies that the market is about to retrace. Then you wait, it retrace, then you can continue to buy the pullback as well. So this is how you want to take advantage of big trend. I believe this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.